How to make money sniping memecoins on Solana full guide. How to make money sniping memecoins on Solana. A comprehensive guide. Sniping memecoins on the Solana blockchain can be a lucrative opportunity for savvy crypto investors, but it requires a careful and strategic approach. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the ins and outs of memecoin sniping on the Solana network, including the necessary tools, techniques, and risk management strategies to help you navigate this dynamic market successfully. Memecoin sniping on Solana. An overview. Solana is a high-performance blockchain known for its lightning-fast transaction times and low fees, making it an attractive ecosystem for the creation and trading of memecoins. These meme-inspired cryptocurrencies often experience sudden and significant price swings, providing opportunities for skilled traders to capitalize on these volatile market conditions through a process known as sniping. Sniping refers to the practice of buying memecoins at their initial launch or during periods of price dips, with the goal of quickly selling them at a higher price as the price surges. This strategy requires quick reflexes, a deep understanding of the memecoin market, and the ability to act swiftly in response to rapidly changing market conditions. Key considerations for successful memecoin sniping on Solana. Before diving into the sniping process, it's essential to understand the unique dynamics of the Solana memecoin market and the factors that can influence its volatility. Here are some crucial considerations. 1. Memecoin hype and speculation. Memecoins often gain traction due to their novelty, community engagement, and social media buzz, rather than underlying technological or fundamental factors. This means that price movements can be heavily influenced by hype, speculation, and the fear of missing out FOMO among investors. 2. Liquidity and trading volumes. Solana-based memecoins can vary greatly in terms of their liquidity and trading volumes. Highly liquid and actively traded memecoins may provide more opportunities for sniping, while less liquid coins may be subject to wider price swings and increased risk. 3. Regulatory landscape. The regulatory environment surrounding memecoins and the broader cryptocurrency market can have a significant impact on prices. Investors should stay informed about any regulatory changes or developments that could affect the Solana ecosystem. 4. Risk management. Sniping memecoins involves a high degree of risk due to their inherent volatility. Proper risk management strategies, such as setting stop-loss orders and diversifying your portfolio, are crucial to mitigate potential losses. Essential tools and resources for memecoin sniping on Solana. To effectively snipe memecoins on the Solana blockchain, you'll need to equip yourself with the right tools and resources. Here are some essential components. 1. Solana wallet. A secure Solana wallet, such as Phantom or Solflare, is necessary to hold and manage your Solana Sol tokens, which you'll use to purchase memecoins. 2. Decentralized exchange DEX platform. A Solana-based DEX, like Orca or Radium, will be your primary trading platform for sniping memecoins. These platforms offer real-time order books, advanced trading tools, and access to a wide range of Solana-based tokens. 3. Price tracking and alert tools. Utilize price tracking tools such as CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to monitor the latest memecoin prices and set up price alerts to notify you of potential sniping opportunities. 4. Community engagement. Stay active in Solana-focused online communities, such as Discord servers and Telegram groups, to stay informed about new memecoin launches, upcoming events, and insider information that could give you an edge in the market. 5. Automated trading bots. Consider using automated trading bots, such as those available on the BingX crypto exchange. Use referral code 911 for registration to execute your sniping strategies more efficiently and take advantage of rapid price movements. The memecoin sniping process on Solana. Now that you have the necessary tools and understanding of the Solana memecoin market, let's dive into the sniping process step by step. 1. Research and identify opportunities. Continuously monitor the Solana ecosystem for upcoming memecoin launches, price dips, and other market events that could present sniping opportunities. Analyze the projects, their communities, and the potential for price movements. 2. Prepare your trading capital. Ensure that you have sufficient Solana Sol tokens in your wallet to execute your sniping strategy. Manage your risk by allocating an appropriate amount of capital based on your overall investment strategy and risk tolerance. 3. Set up price alerts and automated trading. Utilize price tracking tools to set up alerts for your target memecoins. Consider integrating automated trading bots, such as those available on the BingX crypto exchange. Use referral code 911 for registration to execute your trades more efficiently and take advantage of rapid price movements. 4. Act swiftly and decisively. When a sniping opportunity arises, be prepared to act quickly. Monitor the order book and place your buy orders at strategic price levels to take advantage of the Memecoin's price movements. Be disciplined in your approach and be ready to exit your positions at your predetermined profit targets or stop-loss levels. 5. Manage risks and diversify. Memecoin sniping is a high-risk, high-reward strategy. Ensure that you have a solid risk management plan in place, including stop-loss orders, and diversify your portfolio to mitigate potential losses. Sniping memecoins on the Solana blockchain can be a lucrative opportunity for savvy crypto investors, but it requires a deep understanding of the market, the right tools, and a disciplined approach to risk management. By following the strategies outlined in this guide and using the BingX crypto exchange referral code 911, you can increase your chances of success in the volatile world of Solana memecoins. Remember to always do your own research, start with small positions, and continuously adapt your strategy as the market evolves.